Totoo. I-welcome muna natin. Unahin na natin, syempre, Paula Santos para sa pelikulang Pansamantala. Hello!
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Hi, the voice is giving sweetness overload.
Yes!
Like the, the trending Dubai Chewy chocolate.
Ay, wow.
Yes.
Ano yan? Yung green chocolate ba yun? Ay,
Yes.
Dubai chocolate.
Ano ba?
Pistachio.
Canafe?
Ay, big ba? Ganun ba yun?
Canafe. Diba? Yes, I love it. I'm super craving.
Ay!
Baka naman may nakikinig dyan.
Nako.
Dito lang kami sa may Ignacia.
Yes! Baka naman.
At syempre, kasama natin, hindi niya first time. Laging siyang narinig na bumabati na, hi, ako po si, at makinig kayo sa radio.
Yes!
Kelly Day!
Hello, hi. Nice to see you guys.
Hello.
You look beautiful.
Correct. Alam mo, Ti, nung last time na nandito ka, sorry di ba wala ata ako noon, nung nag-guest ka dito.
Yeah, I think.
Di ba? Kasi nga, syempre, alam mo naman yung bakla, di ba? May pinapagawa kasi akong mga imbornal sa namin. So talagang, kailangan kong pagtrabahuhan na mabuti yan, di ba? Imbornal talaga, oo. Oo, pinapagawa ko talaga. Pero welcome, andito na tayo ngayon. Syempre, simulan natin. Ayan, nandito kayo sa Banana Crew. Syempre, sa Banana Crew, I'm sure nakakita na kayo ng mga clips namin sa social media, ng mga super duper trending. Pero I wanna ask you guys, unahin natin si Paula. Yan, na Paulo daw paggabi. Oo. Paula, nice meeting you.
Hello po.
Oo.
Magandang hapon pa sa inyo.
Magandang hapon.
Malamig ba? Painitin natin.
Ay, ayan ang sabi ko talagang naninikip na naman ang pantalon ni Saija. Oo.
At naiinitan na naman.
Totoo. Ayan, Paula, question. Paano ka nag-start as a VMX star?
Meron po kasi ako naging manager po na pinakilala ko kay Nanay Lito.
Lito.
Yung dating, yung nakadiscover po kay Liza Soberano. Si Nanay Dudu po.
Ay, sumalangit nawa, 'di ba? Oo, kilala ko 'yan si Mama Dudu. Yan, mahal na mahal ko yan. Nakaka-discover nga kay Liza. Yes, oo.
Opo. Tapos yun, pinakalala niya po kay Nanay Lito. Tapos si Nanay Lito na po yun nag-ano sa akin sa BMX.
So, ibig sabihin, matagal na pala.
Kaka 1 year ko lang po nung January.
Oo. So, nung nakita mo si Papa Dudu, pinakilala ka kay Lito, si Lito nang nag-take charge.
Opo.
Taray. Pero anong ginagawa mo sa buhay before VMX?
Nag-extra din po.
Talaga? Dream mo talaga na maging parte ng industriya?
Gusto ko talaga yung acting. Kasi pag sa school ako, parang mas na-enjoy ko talaga kapag may mga pa-acting sa school, di ba?
Talaga?
Aralin
Mga
pa,
challenge.
ganyan.
Mga theater, ganyan.
Sumasali din po ako.
In fairness. Pero at least, syempre alam naman natin, hindi na natin paliligoy-liguin. Papag VMX, mga palaban. Diba? Yan yung talagang tinatawag natin na parang they're doing it for art. And at the same time, diba, talagang wild kung wild. Naloka nga ako, hindi, diba dati bawal, touch yung mga, Sierra Madre.
Yes!
Ngayon pwede nang itouch yung Sierra Madre, ate. Nakita ko.
Ay, may difference kasi siya
May
from
ganun na nga,
before.
diba,
Oo.
totoo, hindi ako nagbibiro. Kasi dati, parang, hindi ko naman naabutan yung bomba time, di ba, bagets pa ako noon. Pero, based sa mga nakikita kong mga clips, parang isa yun sa mga sacred na hawakan, hindi ko alam paano. Yung, di ba ganun ka-wild, bongga?
Opo, kasi may mga rules naman po yun. Tatanungin ka naman din po. Pero for me, pag sa akin kasi gusto ko, tapos na agad kahit wala.
Tapusin na kung anong gagawin, ganun.
Work is work. Ganun.
Yes. So, palaban ka rin.
Yes, para mas maganda kasi kapag one take lang talaga. Kasi pag inuulit mo, nagmumukhang scripted, di ba?
Talaga.
Kaya galingan mo na.
Totoo.
Muna pa
Give
lang.
mo na agad-agad para wala nang sabi-sabi. Ikaw ba, kagaya ng mga tanong ko sa mga ibang mga bisita dito, na-feel mo ba minsan na parang na-take advantage or parang
Sumobra.
Oo, nasamantala. Kasi si Astrid naloloka ako talagang ibinahagi niya dito ng no filter talaga. Talagang sinasabi ko kay Astrid pag nawalan kami ng trabaho, di ba? Oo, yung kanya daw talaga, hindi lang basta hinawakan ng Sierra Madre.
Sinip-sip
Sinip-sip ang tinatawag nating Oreo. Oreo, 'di ba? Biscuit, 'di ba? Ganun. Yun sa'yo.
Hindi po. Kasi bago naman mag-start, baga kasi mga kapatid ko pa lang yung mga kapatid ko sa manager, yung mga nakaka-partner ko. So parang medyo close na, mas kampante na,
Correct.
kilala na, ganun.
So walang talaga.
Wala pa naman. Wag naman sana.
Tama. 'Di ba? Itong bagong pang-ilan mo na tong Pansamantala?
5 po.
Ay, pang-limang pelikula mo na to. Ano yung pinakauna mong ginawa? Anong mga title ng 5?
69.
Ang bongga. Talaga naman pala.
Unang pa lang
Palaban.
Title pa lang.
69 is a number, 'di ba? Oo,
Yes.
68, 67. 67, 68, 69, 70.
Yes.
Loko-loko. Sunod.
Sunod, lakad.
Lakad, ayan.
Tapos, barurut.
Ayan, narinig ko na yung barurut, 'di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Tapos, Itong Pansamantala. At saka, ano pa ba
Yung isa hindi pa napapalabas.
Hindi na palabas na rin po wait
Diba?
lang.
Yung barurot talaga pasabog yun eh. Kasi diba,
Yes.
ang barurot ay salitang pabalbal. Oo, na parang ibig sabihin, iharurot natin.
Ayun.
Barurutin mo
Yung
para...
isa po, Next Room Affair.
Anong next?
Next Room Affair.
Ay,
Naku, kapit
Hindi pa yun
baka
napapalabas.
yan.
Napalabas na rin po.
Totoo. Sino-sino na yung mga naging leading man mo?
Si Marsha, si Mac,
Babae, Marsha?
hindi po, John Marsha po yun sa Pansamantala.
Taray, John and Marsha.
John
John
Marsh.
Marsha.
Sitcom ni na the late comedy king Dolphy. Oo, John and Marsha. Yes. Sino pa?
Tapos po, sa Next Room Affair, si Mac Morales. Tapos sa Barurut, si JC Tan. Tapos sa 69, si Mac Morales po ulit.
Parang suki kayong dalawa ni Mac Morales.
Oo.
Maganda ang chemistry nyo.
Magkapatid.
Magkapatid kayo. Oo, ganyan. Kamusta sa parents, sa family? May mga reaction shot ba sila? Reaction video?
Hindi, actually proud pa nga sila. Ako pa kayo nahihiya. Kunwari, pag nasa labas ako ng bahay, sabi, ayan na yung anak ko, Viva Wax. Gagano yung nanay ko. Parang ako pa yung ako na lang nahihiya.
Ang
Pero
saya.
okay lang. Proud naman yung magulang ko. Okay na yun.
Truly, ayan. Oh, thank you so much, Paula. Babalikan kita later, ha?
Yes.
Di ba tayo yung mga title, no?
Oo.
Syempre, ito, Maricol. Callie, what can you say about the title that you know, why?
What I want to say. I have nothing to say.
Nothing to say because it's, you know what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, welcome to the program again.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Tapos syempre now, parang nagulat ako, Viva ka pala?
Yeah.
Talaga? Pero di ba before kasi, nung una kitang nakilala when you were like 16 years old, tama di ba?
Human 16, 19.
19.
Oo,
Oo.
ang 16 lang.
She's original girlfriends, Dai. One of the OG girlfriends yan ng Showtime, si Kelly Day. Okay, lol. Napakagandang mukha niyan, di ba talaga? It's beauty queen yan, te. Oo, di ba? Sa Viva ka pala, kay
Yes.
Boss Vic ka din and Ma'am Veronique.
Last year ako nag-start sa Viva.
Yes.
Kasi diba nag-stop ako ng
Yeah.
showbiz for 2 years.
Oo.
Tapos after that, I was considering if magpa-pageant ako or kung magsha-showbiz ako. And then I just decided whatever comes to me, I will just take that opportunity. So, actually, it happened to be yung manager ko na close din or nag-work with talents of Viva also. So, I
Sino
ended
to?
up being si Len Carrillo.
Yes, kilala ko si Miss
Yeah.
Len. Isa rin sa mga pasabog na producer.
Yes.
Di ba? Ng
May
mga
production.
movies. Yes, oo.
Kaya yung first few movies ko from last year are actually under Nylan also.
Oh.
So, pero they haven't been released yet.
Tanong, paano ka na-discover nung, di ba kasi dati, eto naman, mga napag-uusapan na lang naman. Total, Thursday naman ngayon, di ba?
Throwback.
Kasi syempre, di ba, dati nung Girl Trends ka, tama ba? Star Magic ka before?
Yes, pero never ako nag-sign actually. So, I just did
Verbal lang?
go see. Kasi super new pa lang ako sa Philippines. I just got sent to the go see in Star Magic. Tapos, Mr. M was like, okay, well, you'll start your workshop. So, nag-start ako mag-workshop. I don't know how to speak Tagalog before. So, Tagalog workshops and dancing workshops and acting workshops. And then, nag-audition ako for Girl Trends. And then, that was the start of my showbiz, or at least to be on TV.
At mabilis, no?
It was like few months. Yeah, within a few months. But during that time also, I was doing commercials. So, mas
Yes.
na ako sa commercials. And I was doing a lot of commercials. Maybe like more than 10 plus.
Sa isang buwan?
Hindi naman. Maybe in a year.
In a year?
Yeah, which it's really hard to get commercials, but I have experience with commercials nung bata pa ako, so it was easy for me. What was new for me was really the showbiz, the acting and everything. So yun, after Showtime, after Girl Trends, I moved to GMA and
Sparkle.
I started acting na, and then I stopped showbiz, and then yun. Yung pagbalik ko ng showbiz, like last year, I signed with Viva na.
Oh.
So that's like, I've been everywhere.
Pero nung nag-GMA ka, di ba? Tama ba? Bago ka nag-GMA, nag-pageant muna? Or nung nasa GMA ka, after doing some teleseries, saka ka nag-pageant?
Yeah, actually, habang nagtateleserye ako, sumali ako sa pageant. I
Oh.
thought kasi madali lang ang pageant. Like parang, you'll just do the coronation night, and then if you win, you win.
Rampa-rampa! Ganon, oo.
So what
Diba?
happened is like I got into the pageant camp, Aces and Queens, and then
yes.
suddenly they were sending me like a lot of schedules. Like you have to go for
Pasarela training.
pasarela, gym. And I said, oh, I can't kasi may taping ako for my teleserye. And then they're like, you have to choose one kasi you cannot do both. Sabi ko, kaya ko naman. Sabi, you can't. May upcoming preliminaries. Sabi ko, ano ba yung preliminaries? Hindi ko rin alam.
gosh.
So, parang ipapakilala pa. Di ba bukod sa preliminary, Dai, if I'm not mistaken, may sashing ceremony pa.
There's a lot.
Yes.
Sashing ceremony,
Oo.
may fitness competition, may talent competition. There's like a
May
lot
mga
of
media,
things.
media appearances pa.
Almost every
And,
day.
and no, yung mga sponsors, may
Yes.
ganun pa,
Sponsors,
Dai.
events, you have to show up. So I didn't know na ganun palang pageant. So I had to make a decision. And then I asked GMA if it's okay kung mag-pageant muna ako. And then my character had to exit. Parang biglaan from the show.
Anong serye nga yung last mo sa GMA bago ka nag-exit?
That time was Dahil sa Pag-ibig with Sanya Lopez and Pancho Magno.
Oo.
Pero after that, I did a few more teleserye with GMA.
Grabe no, pag pinakinggan mo yung story niya, para kasing pag ang artista, napapanood natin sa telebisyon, parang feeling natin, di ba, parang ang ganda, artista,
Yes.
di ba, glitz and glamour, di ba, gano'n naman talaga, kasi nga syempre, bukod sa magagandang mukha naman talaga ang mga artista, tapos pag may mga project ka, parang ang tingin kagad ng tao, ay mayaman yan, kasi nga, di ba, gano'n, malaki bayad dyan, yung mga ganyan, di ba, gano'n ang eksena, di ba, ano yan, isang taping lang yan, malaki yan, ganyan, pero hindi nila alam talaga yung mga behind the scenes
Yung
stories,
reality.
Yes.
yung reality that may mga bagay na tamo ultimo si Kelly nga na parang mula pala pagkabata nag-go-see na siya for commercials, tapos may mga bagay pala na kumbaga ano pa rin, may dapat siyang piliin. Hindi lahat na parang nasa
You can do
isi-serve mo sa
everything.
table mo talaga or sa plate mo. May time din talaga na kailangan mag-take ng risk pa rin. Kumbaga, hindi siya hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na pucho-pucho problem lang siya
Yes.
kasi nung panahon na yun, at your age, di ba? Parang syempre you're doing teleseries, syempre nga you're part of the industry na
Yeah.
parang nalito-lito ka nun. Na parang ano ba talagang gagawin ko? Kasi syempre, aminin natin, minsan kapag exit sa isang show, sabi, ay, ati Chona naman si Bakal. Di ba ganon?
I
Oh.
didn't know how it was gonna be,
Yes.
but in fairness, GMA was super supportive, and they were like, they were very encouraging. Like, go, we support you, everything. So, minsan di mo alam din if after that wala na. But
Kung may
no,
babalikan ka pa.
After
Yes.
that, and then nag-international pageant ako during pandemic. And actually, whilst I was still stuck in Egypt, kasi naka-COVID ako that time, big scandal din in the pageant world. I was waiting to come back home, and then GMA messaged me like if I'm willing to do a new teleserie. Sabi ko no, kasi I'm so traumatized from my experience in the international competition. I just want to go home and rest. Like once I get home, I just want to disappear. And they were like, but this show is gonna be really good for you. The role is really nice. And then when I read the script, I was like, okay, sige. So that year, 2021, I counted how many different hotels I stayed. Kasi lock-in tapings and then lock-in din for the pageant internationally. The quarantines. I stayed in like 12 hotels.
Oh my
Like,
God.
for like 1 year, I was living out of suitcase. So I'd go home, just pack the suitcase and leave again. So it was kind of stressful that year. Pero okay din. I think it was
A learning
eventful.
experience
Yeah,
also for you.
Super. And a lot of sacrifices, like what you were kind of mentioning as well. A lot of choices to make.
Correct.
So
Also makes you stronger as a person.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi not everybody, parang may pagkakataon na ma-experience yung ganong
Yeah.
klase ng na-experience mo. That's why,
True.
di ba, sabi natin lagi, every one of us, we all have different stories na parang in the future, may share natin yan sa maging anak natin,
Yes.
to someone that needed yung ganong klase ng advice na marinig coming from us. Di ba?
Actually,
We can use our voice.
Sometimes when I go through a lot of crazy stuff and difficult situations, and usually in this industry then, I always tell myself, like, if I can overcome this, at least I can tell my child in the future this story, and that my child can be proud of me or something like that. Yun ang laging kong iniisip. That's my inspiration.
I'm super duper curious right now, and I'm asking it from straight from my heart to you and to our listeners.
I'm ready.
Yes, kasi syempre, 'di ba, you've mentioned na it's very you experienced that you've encountered from Egypt na parang to the point na 'di ba nahirapan kang tumanggap ng project sa GMA even if they're offering it to you na ng sobrang bongga-bongga. The last time that I had an interview with you, hindi ko siya talaga natanong kasi hindi naman natin siya natakal.
Yes.
If it's not comfortable with you answering the question, it's fine. But I just needed to ask you this. Can you share para lang ma-refresh yung mga nakikinig? I'm sure may mga fans ka na parang may iba may alam, yung iba hindi nila
Yeah.
alam. What happened?
It's a long story, which I don't think we'd have time for, but just to...
And yes, we have. Hindi, charing.
Yes, we have.
Charing. Agad, yes, we have. And, oo.
I do
To
plan,
summarize.
I do plan to tell the full story and, siguro prepared for it, like a script and everything, just to give all the right details. But essentially what happened, we were the first international pageant to do face-to-face
During the pandemic.
during pandemic.
Oh my God.
And I didn't want to travel. And my parents also, they didn't want me to travel. My
It's a
parents
risk.
were actually abroad that time. So I was alone here. And then they said, don't go. But then I feel like on my end, I was convinced to go. That if I don't go, the Philippines will be disappointed in me. And also, yung national director namin said that pupunta rin siya, like, mga 5 days before the coronation. So I felt like, okay, at least I won't be alone there. And if something happens, at least, I'm safe. And I was also ensured that when I arrive in Egypt, there will be quarantine, there will be testing. Bear in mind, this was a time na wala pang vaccine na. This was, people were still dying. And it was like, the classing,
The peak.
yung Delta or something.
yeah.
The one that was,
Omicron, mga
yeah,
ganun.
mga ganun. So it was still a scary time to travel. And, well, my experience basically was there was no testing. We were not allowed to wear masks. We were told that there's no COVID in Egypt. And then people started getting sick. And there's another story to that, but for another time. And then I was like one of the first girls to get tested. Because we have to do a test before we fly home for the airport. And I tested positive. And then, yung result ko nakalat sa lahat ng girls. And then someone posted it online also. They went into my room, my hotel room, and they took a photo of my test result. And they sent it to their manager in Peru. And then she posted it online. She had like 500,000 followers. And then I got blamed for it. And then I was stuck there, and a lot of girls were able to go home because they had false papers to go back home. And it was offered to me. I didn't take it. I said I will not travel and risk someone getting sick. So I was the last person in all 40 girls that went home. I was still in Egypt waiting for a positive result. And my national director didn't show up. So when I was very angry with him at the time, he told me, "Why will I go? There's COVID." Sabi ko, exactly. So after that, I haven't talked to my national director since then. And eventually I was able to come home, but every day because it was so hard to get flights pa. So even if I was naging negative na ako in the test, I had to wait at least like 10 or 15 days to go home. Because the flights were like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. One flight lang, so...
Totoo. Kasi it's
It was still...
Pandemic kasi.
Yung
May mga
worldwide.
lockdowns pa.
Lockdown.
Nako, sandali lang, 4:45 ang oras natin, may kailangan lang akong padaanin. Nako, napakaganda ng kwento at alam ko lahat kayo kapit na kapit. Alam mo, I'm getting sobrang emotional.
Oh my
Because I
gosh.
can really feel...
Wala pa to
Yung
eh.
stress.
Hindi,
Nakakatakot.
hindi lang basta stress. Lalo nung sinabi niya na parang, I'm here doing it, I will not travel because I'm positive. Tapos parang, I felt like parang pinagtulungan siya. Di ba? Parang ganun yung eksena. Pinagtulungan
Yes.
siya just for the sake of getting the crown. Pero you still stand doon sa beliefs mo, sa paniniwala mo na this is a worldwide na eksena pinag-uusapan, pandemic, ganyan, COVID siya. Hindi ako uwi para magkalat pa ng iba doon. Tapos,
Yes.
di ba, ganun? Okay, 4:45 ang oras. So, shake muna tayo.
Banana Crew!
And we are back sa oras na 4:47. Kasama pa rin syempre ang beshi ng bayan at ang Diyos na kalsada, Jai Ho.
And of course, ang pambansang darling sa radyo, DJ Chloe.
Alam nyo ba, naku, next time pag may live audience na kami, invite namin kayo kasi masarap din ang chikahan pag off-air. Masarap din ang chikahan pag off-air, diba? Oo, sorry for cutting you kanina. Kailangan ko lang idaan ang ating pang malakas ang mga sponsor sa oras nila, syempre, 'di ba? Pero na-cut ka doon kanina doon sa sinasabi mo na parang even your national director from the Philippines didn't showed up,
Yeah,
ganyan.
he didn't show up. I also, kasi what happened, I got my result on the day of the coronation. So wala pang coronation. It was the morning that my test result came. I was supposed to fly one day after coronation.
Kasi nga once lang yung
Tas-
flight.
Yes, that was positive na. So I called my dad and I told him that I will not compete because if I know I'm positive, I will not. I need to isolate. That's the rule,
The
and
rule,
I,
yes.
I understand why and I agree with it. And then when I called my national director, he said, basically, you better compete because sayang lahat and Philippines will be disappointed in you, blah, 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 blah. And I was really crying. I called my dad. I said, I don't know what to do. I don't want to disappoint anyone. But I also feel like this is my morals, you know. I will not hide that I'm positive. And then my dad said, just do what you feel is right, and you have to, consider everyone that is counting on you also. But my dad also wanted me to not compete na. So what I did na lang to make everyone happy, I ended up talking to all the girls. I sat with them and I said, look, we've all been sick kasi for like 3 weeks. We all knew that we have COVID kasi we lost our sense of smell, our taste. My roommate even collapsed. She couldn't breathe. They kept all of the organization in Egypt, they kept all of it quiet. They don't want us to talk about it. And then basically I told the girls I'm positive, and how do you feel if I will still compete? And they were like, girl, like, please compete, sayang. Basically, like, we're all sick anyway, and thank you for telling us. So don't worry, you can still compete and we're okay with it. So yeah, and then turns out a lot of the girls were positive na naman eh. So we were all already kind of in trouble with the whole COVID positive situation. So yeah, eventually during that time, there was a lot of media frenzy because nag-viral yung test ko. And Philippines pageant, like, fans are
Super.
the biggest fans in the world. So it was really like a big issue. And I was, I'll keep some details out, but eventually when I got home, maybe 2 or 3 weeks after the coronation, I jumped into a teleserye.
Tapos alam mo, 'di ba sa offer nga sinabi ko sa kanya na parang that time parang your name is super duper pinag-uusapan kasi
Yeah.
you were dragged into another situation of big stars na parang 'di ba sinabi na ikaw pa yung reason of ganito, of their paghiwalay sa marriage and everything. Pero
Yeah.
grabe pala yung pinagdaanan mo, Kelly.
Parang mas worse yung nangyari sa Egypt for me
Parang
compared
yun-
to the fake news of
Correct.
like, kasi this was something that I did really from my heart. And despite all the fears that I had of traveling and competing and during that
In the
time,
middle of pandemic.
I did it for the Philippines. So
Yeah.
to feel that backlash, it was kind of painful, and I couldn't speak up.
Yeah.
And like, actually, I wanted to speak up habang nasa Egypt pa ako, but my parents advised me, and rightly so, don't say anything until you get home safe.
Correct.
Because my dad
That's
also wanted to
important yan,
fly there,
pinaka-importante.
pero prone siya sa sickness. So sabi ko, no, please just stay where you are. I'm gonna be okay. So every day kami nag-video call, like full day, full night. Tas walang internet, wala akong internet. So I'm buying data like every day also. So I just cried a lot. I wrote some music, and then eventually I got home. Tas yeah, and then there was a lot of people reaching out. They want to interview me about it, and I said no, I need to go home first. When I got home and I got to taping, the first few months we were shooting The World Between Us with Alden Richards and Jasmine. So it was a really great project. I cried a lot in my hotel room because hindi pa ako naka-move on nun sa nangyari sa akin. And having to go back to work and not to be home with my mom or
Dad.
my dad. I was still working. Yeah, it took a toll on me for a while, but eventually I met a great guy who, when I met him after my taping, I talked to him about it. I cried a lot, and then life just got better from there with that person.
I wanna hug you. Promise. Thank you for raising the flag of the Filipinos despite of the situation.
Yeah. I have
Especially
no regrets.
in the middle of the pandemic. And this story is something like reminding everybody na to please be kind all the time.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung may pinagdadaanan. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung may dinadala. Kasi hindi porket kaya naming ipakitang maganda kami. Wow. Cherise. Hindi, di ba? Tama. Andun eh. Hindi, di ba totoo? Kaya ako naging emotional kasi hindi porket we have this strong personality showing up every day to people na parang ang tingin nila is, maldita yan, matara yan, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi nila alam yung bigat ng pressure na dinadala mo for mas maraming tao.
Kasi part of the job, whether it's pageant or showbiz, like you mentioned earlier, like from the outside, it's glamorous.
Yes.
But what goes on behind the scenes is just really not. Most of the time, it's
Totoo.
not. But it's part of our job to make our job look glamorous.
Totoo.
So
Totoo yun.
people don't know until now. Like this is my first time to tell the
Thank
details.
you.
But
Thank you, Kelly.
they don't know that for the first 9 or 10 days until I escaped from the hotel that I was stuck in, that I was staying in a room that belonged to 3 male photographers. They didn't the bed sheets weren't fixed, clean, they weren't changed, the towels. I slept on a towel for like 9 days. Barely got any food. And I had to sneak out because I was the door of my hotel room said like parang do not enter, toxic something. So when I looked at my door, oh my gosh, kaya pala there's no one bringing me food.
Oh my God.
So I would sneak out like 1 a.m. just to get water from the restaurant and I couldn't say anything about it. I had to not burn any bridges until nakauwi na ako. When I got home, I tried to get my over expenses to be reimbursed and I got hit with a letter from a lawyer that threatening me basically. So that time I just left it. I was like, I don't have the energy right now to fight. I just want to be home and
Be with my family.
Be with my family. And then that didn't happen. So, but eventually nangyari naman. So
Totoo.
all is good.
And life goes on talaga.
Life goes on. At least I saw the true colors of people
Yeah.
and the industry sometimes. But not all are bad.
Dati ba, nagawang kita ng chismis?
What do you mean?
And like, dati ba, na blind item kita or whatsoever? Parang wala, di
I
ba?
think wala pa.
Pero kasi lagi tinatanong ko naman sa inyo nung like dati, hindi kasi yung dating na-link. Kailan ko yung mga na-link sa kanya dahil bata pa sila noon, tigilan niyo ako, di ba? Alam ko yan, nakikita ko sila sa mga events. And she always, beso. Si Kelly, nung noon pa talaga, in fairness, hanggang sa hindi na kami nagkaroon ng communication because she transferred to GMA.
Yes,
Buti na lang
yeah.
hindi kita na blind item.
Thank you.
Kung di magigilty ako dahil na parang, baklo.
Wala naman eh.
Ganyan.
Wala naman akong stories that will be blind item worthy.
Wala naman, totoo. hindi naman blind item yung kunya mga chismis na parang kunyari,
Right.
jowa ni ganito eh, jowa ni ganyan.
Pero
ganyan.
in-interview mo ata si Inigo after
Ay,
mo
pinangalanan. Oo, yes, oo.
So parang may indirect
Oo,
chismis.
about you, indirect chismis. Tinanong ko siya, kamusta kayo? Kasi di ba masaya-saya kayo dati, ganyan. What happened? Yung mga ganyan, eksena. Hindi kasi di ba, yun naman, part naman ng trabaho yun, na kailangan namang malaman
Of
ng mga
course.
chemical. That's why every time I ask question to people na ini-interview ko talaga, nagtatanong talaga ako kung okay sa kanila, kung hindi okay, I'm fine with it. Pero sa trabaho kasi natin, di ba, people are listening to our program, hoping that ito lang yung makakapagkuha ng sagot sa gusto naming malaman. That's why if they're not comfortable, it's fine. Pero kung comfortable naman sila, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Naku, ano ba yung bago sa'yo? Di ba, tarete? Ganun.
Ano nga.
Ang sarap niyang i-group pag, alam mo ate, masalo kitang minahal na, mahal kita. Pero kasi nga dahil nga 19, andun na si Watts, may nini. So, 20 pa lang ako nun eh.
Ay, wow!
1 year lang yung tanda.
Very ano.
1 year lang yung tanda, di ba, Ding? Oo, di ba? Pero syempre yun, ang sarap-sarap, di ba? Ikaw, I'm sure ngayong hapong ito, parang ang daming napahay. Oo nga no, wala namang bayad at saka ang sarap kaya sa puso kapag mabuti ka sa kapwa mo. 'Di ba? Pwede tayo magmalita minsan pag sobra-sobra, may limitasyon din yung mga mga bagay-bagay. Hindi laging mabait, 'di ba? Pagka medyo na talaga 80-80 na, kailangan natutukan yan dahil 80-80, 'di ba? Ganun kasi sa social media.
Yes.
Ayan. Pero ito ngayon, ang pinaka main project mo is yung sa Viva Movie Box.
Yes, so we shot this vertical short kasi
Yes.
that's the Viva Movie Box, right? So,
Yes.
mga vertical short, first time ko mag-vertical short and I really enjoyed it. I know some actors kasi that they don't like it. They prefer
Nahihirapan.
the
the normal
Pero for me, kasi each scene or each episode, ang dami nangyayari. So it's like super exciting as an actor that there's a lot happening. Hindi stagnant yung character mo, hindi stagnant yung emotions. So it was a good challenge, and actually yung character ko medyo out of the box din naman siya. Like crazy, a little crazy.
Tsaka di ba dapat yung OA yung acting sa Vertical?
Yeah,
Yes.
kaya ko siya na-enjoy.
Oo, kasi.
Parang commercial modeling.
Yes!
Sarap!
Yes! Totoo. Kasi nga maliit. Parang kasi, di ba sa phone kasi siya talaga made. So, kailangan big yung acting. Di ba?
Pang cliffhanger.
Tsaka kaya ka na-hook.
Yes.
Di ba nang who's with you dito sa project?
It's starring me, Diego Loizaga, and
Ay,
Sarah
Jess!
Labasi.
Talaga, si Sarah. Ay, ang bongga. Anong title?
Kapatid kaagaw. So kami ni Sarah, we're sisters.
Actually, no,
Wow.
magka-fest. Diba? Magka-fest.
Thank you.
Ganda ng mga mukha nila, diba?
She's super
Kung
beautiful.
gigising ako sa isang umaga, gusto ko yung mukha ko, Kelly Day.
Yes.
Para magpupustod lang akong ganyan. Hello po, gano'n. Baka sabi ko sa'yo, lahat ng commercial, ibibTR ko. Yes! Wala akong palalagpasin sa Makati. Hindi ako mangangarag. Walang makeup yan, di ba, te? Powder ka lang.
May makeup naman, may makeup.
Kahit naman walang makeup, di ba?
Oo
Ganyan.
nga.
Ganyan gusto ko makeup. Doc, hello. Pinagaya kayo, Doc, di ba? Thank you, Kelly.
Thank
Showing na ba
you.
to?
Feb 23 sa Viva Movie Box app. So download na.
May mga movie ka rin na paparating.
Actually, I'm not sure if I can say it, pero
Abangan.
there's a movie that submitted for a film festival.
This year?
Just got told yesterday.
Wow!
So,
Oh my God, tingnan mo, diba? That's really God moves in a mysterious way.
Yes.
Ways. Kasi imagine, diba? Parang tayo yung mga soldiers niya na parang alam niyang kaya nila yan. Ibibigay nila yun sa atin.
Yeah.
Pero sa dulo nun, parang yun naman yung time para umani ka naman.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, he planted yung mga bagay na yun
Yes.
para makita na tumayo ka. Pagdating ng mga bagay na ginaganon ka ng maraming tao, feeling mo, you and me against the world, yung mga eksena mo dyan. Walang me. You
You and-
against the world or
Yes.
me against the world.
Oh, tama.
Tapos ang ending, di ba? Ito na yun.
Actually, shooting Kapatid Kaagaw, which we shot maybe 1 or 2 months ago. It was perfect timing because I had a lot of heavy emotions, and then my character, she's kind of like
Needed it.
Yeah, she's kind of the crazy character that loses control of her emotions.
Mm-hmm.
So it was actually an outlet for me to just
To release.
like there's
Yeah.
a scene that I'm gonna like throw something. So
Yes.
ang sarap
Ang
actually.
sarap. It's a therapy.
Yeah, it was.
Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, sis Mars.
Yes.
Alam, may breakup ako. Dumating na lang yung isang umaga na parang, ayoko na umiyak, walang bayad. Di ba? Di ba yung mga
Sayang naman yung
Di ba?
luha, sayang.
Di ba tayo, bayad tayo para umarte? Sabi ko, ang ginawa ko, alam mo talaga, kinausap ko sa sarili ko, yung luha ko, yung emosyon ko, dito ka muna. Tapos kapag kailangan ko yan for a project,
Ilalabas mo.
ibabalik ko yan. Para mapagkakitaan ko siya.
Tama, actually, it's if you have the ability to control in that sense, it's really effective.
Totoo, yes. Ayan, thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing.
Always. I told you we're talkative, and I told you you're gonna finish all of your time. I'm sorry.
Sabi ka, thank you, Kelly. Diba? It's always been a pasabog interview with...
Yes.
Alam mo, nung bagets kasi, syempre nahihiya siya kasi parang feeling niya iintrigahin ng mga bata-bata sila. Totoo naman, diba? Nung bata-bata sila. Pero syempre, diba, that's the power or the yung earn yung trust and credibility mo to someone na kinakausap mo every time na sasalang sila sa programa. Kaya tingnan mo sila, yung mga nabanggit niya pa sila, Inigo yan. Isang text lang dyan, isang tawag lang dyan. Talagang give sila ng mga answer nila. Kasi pag wala naman, sasabihin nila, Mama Jai, wala pa. Diba, ganun, Mama Jai, wait lang. Yung mga gaganon sila. Oo, thank you so much. Paula, alam mo na, para ka nag-workshop. Diba?
May natutunan din naman sa mga kwento niya,
Diba?
ganyan.
Totoo.
Kasi yung ibang artista ngayon, parang sa mga followers na lang nila binibase, hindi kagaya ng mga ibang, mga dati talaga na from sa hirap nagdadaan. Yung iba kasi binibase na lang nila sa mga followers para maging artista, ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Iba pa rin talaga yung may experience ka.
Yung
di
may
ba,
pinagdaanan ka talaga kasi dun ka kukuha nga, sabi nga
Yeah.
namin ni Kel, di ba, yung bubog mo, dun mo
Tsaka
kukunin.
mahasa ka din doon based sa experience na naranasan mo, di ba?
At ang lahat ng bagay ay talagang pansamantala lamang. Kaya kailangan yung kabutihan mo kasi yung kabutihan yun yung forever. 'Di ba? Yung hanggang sa
Yes.
tumagal man, talagang maaalala sa'yo. Pero yung mga ganong eksena na ganda-gandahan si ating wala pang napapatunayan, mayabang na.
Yun.
Di ba yung mga
Mga
ganon?
ganyan.
Maangas ka wala ka namang di ba? Ngayon, siguro sabi mo fresh ka, pero hanggang saan ang freshness mo? Ito ay
Maganda talaga
Samantala.
marunong ka makisama.
True. Makisama is the correct answer. Ganyan. Hindi yung pag napagsasabihan naansya ka, di ba? Makikinig ka dahil. Totoo naman, di ba? Di ba? Ayan. Promote pansamantala.
Guys, nood po kayo ng Pansamantala. Bukas na po siya. At sa trailer niya, pwede din kayo manood ngayon. Makita nyo para mabitin kayo. So, ako na bahala bukas.
Pasabog.
Yun lang po. Tapos
Aray, oo.
Feb 28 po, meet and greet po sa Viva Cafe. See you.
Taray, ayan. May nagpapa-shoutout sa'yo. Parang sabi niya, DJJ, tanong mo naman kung pero, di ba kasi dati may pinamimigay kayong, parang stab, yung code sa Viva Max?
Yung meron sa manager ko po.
Baka daw meron ka, pengi daw si DJ
Yes.
Sigel. Oo, pengi daw siya.
natin.
Ang dami namin mga boys dito na sabi, DJJ, mga VMX stars na guest mo, pengi naman kami, may 7 days free yun, di ba? Oo, di ba? Maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa inyo for guesting. Ang oras natin ay, Sis Mars.
5:03. It's time for merienda mga ka-vibes. And of course, batiin ko na rin ang ating mga biggest fans na mga nag-comment. Hanapin natin yan. Unahin ko na ang ating mga suki sa tindahan. Sila Miss Sari Lerma. Hello sa inyo. William Mortel. And of course, Gloria King Gerard Mesiano. Ayan, lahat ng mga nag-comment sa ating mga art card. Si Daniel Yap. And of course, si Giovanni Ardales from Batangas City. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Do not worry, hindi po tayo, ano yung sinasabi nila? Taped as live.
Totoo.
Live na live po
live
ito.
tayo. Ay, binati na po kayo ng bonggang-bongga na aking Sis Mars. Hindi kasi parang feeling nila,
Feeling nila kasi na taped as live lang to because hindi daw kami nagbabasa ng comments. But it's
Correct.
because we're just having fun. Para
hindi
diba?
naman, bukod sa having fun, syempre, di ba, nakakaloka naman yung interview, di ba?
Parang paano ka makaka-text ng gano'n,
Yes,
diba?
totoo. Ay, nako, 5:04 ang oras natin. Magabalik tayo. More music para sa inyo sa Banana Crew Daily Top 10.
Yes.
Countdown dito lang sa 92.3.
FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, ka-vibes!